Oh, look at that. Look how cute they are. Oh my god. Hello. Hello there. Alright, take it easy. Very gentle. Very gentle. There we go. There's one. You can say hi to the camera. You go in the brooder. There you go. There's the second one. It's okay. Okay. Here we go. Take a look. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay. There we go. There we go. Hey cuties. Hey cuties. Let's see if you'll drink some water. You want some water? There you go. There you go, my little peepers. Here we go. Oh, you gotta get in there too. There you go, come on. Need you to drink some water. Come on, sweetie. You drink some water too. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute. So the lighter one should be all white when she grows up. And the brown one will be brown, and maybe some other color patches in there. And she's in the spoon. She is it. Oh, 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 okay, you're okay. That's not food. Okay. If you want to eat, here's some food right here. So if all goes well, in about 6 months from now, these girls should be laying some eggs. And we're going to be one big happy family. She's eating. Alright. Alright. First arrival of the ducks appears to be a success.